Let's talk about traffic shaping. Traffic shaping is basically your quality of service settings. So when you go to traffic shaping in your settings, you'll see enable traffic shaping, and then what you'd want to do is enter the maximum speed of your line, upload and download. So let's say 100 megabytes, save that. And then you can also enable VoIP dequeuing and prioritization, and you can let the VoIP bypass the DPI engine, and then set values for your VoIP. And this will guarantee that your VoIP will always run at the speed, always have the speed available. Doesn't matter how heavy the usage is, which is very useful if you don't want your phones to just die in the middle of whatever. Then we've got your queues and allocation rules. So after you've set your traffic shaping, you can go here and you can create queues that you want to use. So for instance, one speed mail needs to download, social media, download queue, and this basically takes off from that 100 meg that I just said. So if I add a new download queue, like you'll see that total uses 10, but if I add a new one and I say full speed, and you have your rate, which is the guaranteed rate, basically the minimum. So let's say 50 megs, which means that they will always have 50 megs available. But if there's more capacity on the network, I can maybe say 70. It can jump to 70. Add to queue, and then you'll see available only 40 megabits. And what you can do is you can tag traffic according to these rules, so that you can, for instance, have rule that says Bob is only allowed to use 5 megs. So you can say IP rule, select your interface, let's say fiber in or main network or just any interface, because it doesn't matter where Bob is. And then we can say source identity. Any identity, Bob, any protocol, so let's say TCP or just any protocol. Then we can select the download queue, so we can give him maybe mail, and the upload queue, add rule. So this means that only Bob's mail will run at that speed. And let's see, 5 megabits and a normal rate of 1 megabits down. This is very useful to just shape how your organization uses traffic. Maybe give more traffic to the high priority users, and then just let the low priority users, maybe the guys that just sit on their phone the whole day, who don't really have something to do, that they limit it so they don't eat up all the bandwidth on the network.